All right, in the video the other day, I started to disassemble this because the inside's all crusty and rusty. In doing so, we find this gasket here that is just kind of falling apart as I mess with it, actually. Oh, there we go. I have already looked online because I knew that I'd have to mess with this. I've already looked online. I couldn't find that gasket. Some people said, hey, just buy an O-ring. But I've got a different idea. I've got maybe a better idea. I don't know. I have a different idea. So let's go. So here is my plan. My plan is to use some of this rubber gasket do-it-yourself kit. These are 6" by 6" squares. They come in two different thicknesses. I'm gonna go with the thinner of the two. 6 1/4 is how much it costs for a 2-pack. I think the thinner won't be just fine for this application. This gives me 2 sheets, so I got plenty of room in case I screw up one of them. If I mismeasured or whatever goes wrong, I've got plenty to play with. I think this will work, and yeah, I'm excited to try this out. So sometimes you got to think outside the box. In this case, I'm going to the big orange box store and getting a part for my car in the plumbing section. So let's ring it up. Let's go back home. Let's see what happens. All right, so I've never tried to cut rubber before. Yeah, I loaded up a washer, 30 millimeter inside diameter, 34 on the outside, give me 2 millimeter all around. I think I did that right. And yeah, let's go. Let's see what happens here. That was quick enough. Let's just see if... Okay, so that didn't do enough. I'm gonna make another cut right quick and see if that'll be enough. All right, that looks didn't look good, I'll say that. Lots of like laser splattered, but I think we cut as a whole. No pun intended there. That didn't go as planned. I just lost a little center. I gotta go thicker, I think. But let's go see if it fits. And actually, I'm not sure if I can get to it right now, but I'm gonna go check it out. All right, so I cut it. I just cut it in the middle just to see how it kind of lined up. And I think, actually, looking at that, if that was whole, that actually might be right. I might be good there. So I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna up the power. And just see, and I'm not sure how stretchy this stuff is. I mean, it's got some give, but yeah, I'm gonna up the power, and that might be my little gasket. And instead of finding, trying to find a washer online and ordering and shipping and all that, use the tools that I have. In this case, I got a laser engraver that was way too much money for a hobbyist, but whatever, here we are. Anyway, I think I figured this stuff out. DIY. I'm into it. Y'all take care.